I'm going to show you how to redeem your YouTube Premium code. So to get started, open any browser of your choice. Once you are there, you go to address bar at the top and type youtube.com/redeem. Hit enter or click on the search icon. You will be directed to a page that looks like this. Now, this is where you will enter the code you want to redeem. Type it into the provided field, and when you are done, click Next. With simple click, your code will be redeemed and you are all set to enjoy the benefits of YouTube Premium. With a simple click, your code will be redeemed and you are all set to enjoy the benefit of YouTube Premium. It's a hassle-free process, ensuring you have access to ad-free videos, background play, and exclusive content. So whether you receive the code as a gift or through the promotion, redeeming it is quick and straightforward. Make sure to use the code before it expires, as promotional codes often have an expiration date.